It's almost spoopy time, and we're going to create a Python application, Halloween themed, of course, and I'll explain more about it in just a few minutes here. But I wanted to talk about this project and kind of why I'm doing it. So let me show you some things here real quick. This first part of the project, I'll be using this here, TK interface, to do the actual application. So you'll be able to, in theory, download it as an exe, and it will be built in Python, and then run this application, and hopefully get spooked, or send it to somebody and get them spooked. So this part of the video, you'll see like this first video. This will be in sections, and the rest of the sections will be in my Ko-Fi. So here's a plug. I'm plugging myself. If you want to see the rest of the videos, please feel free to be a supporter. You'll see the rest of the videos that I'm making for this project, as well as you'll get a shout out on my YouTube and my Twitter page. If you're interested in participating in these projects, so I do one project a month, and I'll do it with whoever is a team member or a business partner. But as a team member, essentially, I bring the programming skills, and everyone else brings whatever they see fit. So rather it be like, graphic skills or just ideas. I want it to be like a community, so that's why I'm doing it, and I also want to be able to do stuff I enjoy doing and work with other people. So there's that. Okay, now we're going to talk about the project. So my plan for the project is to have like a pop-up box kind of sense that you would see if you download a program. So like, would you like to download this, yes or no? But it will be Halloween themed. And then if you press no, then you'll get a jump scare. So that's very simple project idea, but I have to do a lot with like a user interface and kind of getting everything to work correctly, like sound and images, which I'm not even sure if sound will work. So we're gonna see if that will. But yeah, that's the main concept. And this video probably be like 10 minutes long. Alright, so I'm gonna make my main Python script here. I call it just spoopy, I guess. And then we're going to create an executable, which you'll see later if you actually become a member, I should say. You'll see how I do that. So, and there may be, I don't know yet. I still want to decide if there's going to be maybe one or two. So this will be the first video on YouTube. There might be another video on YouTube that I post. Excuse me. But let's just get everything kind of set up here. So the first thing I need to do is add a TK interface. Which I've played with before, but I have not really used it in a while. And then the other thing I needed was, I think that's good for right now, TK interface. And it's going to be just, honestly, I'll also have the link to the docs in the description if you're interested in reading more about it. But for right now, I have to get it set up. Drinking my morning coffee. I guess we could just do this. Interesting. Alright, so it's working. That's good. Oh my god, I cannot move it. Why? Alright, here it is. I mean, this is essentially what TK interface is. It just lets you create applications in Python, which is cool. And this one will be very simple. Let's see here. Yeah. Cool. So that's good. This is just a little hello world example that they give you. I gotta think, how do I want to do this? Okay, I'm going to pause this video, create a plan, come back, and explain what I'm doing. So, give me like, for you it'll be seconds, for me it'll probably be like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I feel like I'm so low right now. Alright, so, I'm gonna move my mic real quick. Alright, so here is my kind of pretty much super basic setup. So I already did this, essentially just in progress. The environment's pretty easy to set up for Python. I mean, the hardest thing is going to be creating it in a exe file, or like an exe file, I guess, or application out of it. But like I said, we'll do that at the end of the project, and so yeah, I'm just gonna put this as done. So I actually have to create the content because I need a picture and I need some sound, which hopefully will work in the way that I need it to. So I think what I'm gonna do probably the first is kind of create some of the actual logic for the program. Also, this is where, you know, if you have this, like if you have an idea for some content, then this is where you guys would come in if you wanted to participate in that part. Again, check out my Ko-Fi page. And yeah, so there's that. I think I don't know if I'm gonna do this anytime soon. I might leave it for like maybe after I get some of this done. So, but I really need to take care of this first. But yeah, this is the overall idea of what I'm gonna do. So yeah, just be a simple pop-up like you saw, and then it'll have like a question: are you ready for Halloween? And then if you click yes, then you'll get like just a little prompt. Nothing will happen, but if you type no, or if you choose no, I should say, then you'll get a jump scare and sound will play through your computer. Because the cool thing with Python is it probably only work for Windows because I don't have anything Apple to test it on, but for Windows at least, I can access like a folder on the person's computer, and I'll just move those into that folder, so then whenever the application needs to access them, it knows where to find it. That's my plan. Okay, I'm going to end this video here because it's 16 minutes long, and hopefully I'll see you in more videos. So thanks for watching this far. Subscribe, like, and please check out my Ko-Fi. And again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.